Hello everyone, this is Amir from Smart Life. Today we will check our Windows is genuine or cracked. First we will check initial stage, and this is the initial level. This is look like Windows is activated and this is active, but actually what it is, now we will check it. For this we will go to command option. I put my run here to get it faster, and now I will write down cmd command. Here we will check actually our Windows is genuine or not. For this we will write here slmgr.bbs space /dli. Now we'll give enter. If our Windows active with cracked version, we will have this sort of information. There is so much information and most of them is unnecessary, like there is a expiry date, as this activated with cracked version, that's why it generated. Normally in genuine version you will not have something like this. This description box will be shorter form, and this Windows activated with genuine key and result is here. As this is the actual version or licensed version, there is another way to check this is original Windows or cracked version. There is, you can check from here directly from run option. We'll write the same thing, slmgr.bbs space .dli. So this is the same thing, because this is the genuine version of Windows. This is not crack. So by this way we can check our Windows is genuine or not. If your Windows is not genuine, you will not have this short description, you will have a larger one or anything else. For this kind of useful tutorial, please stay with us. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.